Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Maxar with your account and API key. Make sure permissions allow downloads. Next, set the area, type coordinates, paste an address, or draw a bounding box on the map to lock the extent. Once the area is locked, choose imagery parameters, date range, 0. 5M resolution if you need detail, and the sensor type that fits your use. These first steps limit data volume and ensure you pull the right imagery for analysis. Now you choose the exact product. Standard for quick look, ortho for corrected imagery, stereo for 3D, or analytic for raw bands. Pick what's needed for your task. Use the preview pane to inspect cloud cover, clarity, and seam lines. Zoom to confirm ground detail and registration. Once done, refine filters, acquisition date, sun elevation, and off-nadir angle to reduce shadows and distortion. Make sure to preview multiple scenes if coverage overlaps, so you select the cleanest tiles. Finalize by selecting tiles and choosing output format. GeoTIFF or cloud-optimized COG are common. Pick band order and compression as needed. Then export. Use the web UI for single scenes or submit a batch request to the API with your credentials and desired coordinate reference system. Once the files arrive, ingest them into your GIS or processing chain and validate georeferencing. If a download fails or imagery looks wrong, check account permissions and quota first. If that's clear, try a different scene or smaller B-box.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.